What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Cardano. There is a reversal pattern at play. We're sitting at $2.14. We're down about 1% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of $67.87 billion. 24-hour volume is $6.41 billion. Guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have their deposit crypto earn rewards where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're seeing a lot of reversal patterns, including bullish divergences. You can see here, we're creating lower lows. We're creating higher lows here on the RSI, bullish divergence, as well as, I'm just going to quickly take this out, an inverse head and shoulders for ADA. It moves very, very closely with Bitcoin here. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So we do have to keep a close eye on Bitcoin to see if we're going to break the neckline of our head and shoulders and have a throwback, or if we get rejected. Of course, if we get rejected, we'll pull ADA down with it. But if we do come up and we break this neckline of our inverse head and shoulders here, the breakout target would bring ADA all the way pretty close back up to this level of resistance at about $2.36. So I'm going to jump into ADA on the 4-hour time frame. So we can see on the 4-hour, I've drawn out a little bit of a descending triangle here. Sorry guys, an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. So if you do see us start to break the neckline of this pattern, could bring ADA back up to about $2.27. If we did break down here, then it would bring ADA down to about $1.97. So do keep an eye on that as well. We could find some resistance here on the EMAs for ADA. And if we do roll over and see that continuation to the downside, our target from our head and shoulders is down here at 189. So of course, all eyes on Bitcoin. I'm watching it very closely to see if we have a throwback or we get rejected. We are having our bullish divergence for Bitcoin as well. Guys, I trade ADA on Bybit. Currently, Bybit is giving away up to 3,500 free BIT tokens. If you don't know about BitDAO, I will leave a link in the description to their website. They allocate the world's largest DAO-directed treasury, partnered with leading protocols, and build future of finance. So you can see some of their partners. Bybit, we have Polygon, guys. We have SushiSwap. Definitely recommend checking it out. So right now on Bybit, if you sign up and deposit as much as you can, you have a better chance of earning BIT token. Get up to 3,500 free BIT tokens based on the hourly snapshot of your wallet balance over a 5-day period. This is only going on from September 22nd to September 28th. So make sure to sign up and get your chance to win some free crypto. So we'll end the video here with ADA. So keep an eye on these two patterns, your inverse head and shoulders, as well as this ascending triangle. If you do see it start to break out here, just give your breakout target. If we do break out to the upside here, it could be a nice little breakout, very close to this major level of resistance at about 238. The target from the inverse head and shoulders is at about 235. And then of course, I'll always give you your breakdown target, would bring you back down to $1.89, which is a major level of support and also lines up with our head and shoulders pattern. If we go here to the 4 hours of previous swing low, previous swing high for ADA. So it could be a nice little trade opportunity. Wait for your breakout for ADA. Sign up to Bybit. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.